Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit the ring bell for the new videos I post almost every week. So today we'll be making this beautiful Happy Diwali card. So let's begin. So to make this card we need a scrapbook, some craft paper and a card. And if you are liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel. For all the art supplies, I'm going to put the link in the description box so that you can also get all the art supplies. And if you have any question, please do let me know in the comment section below. So our Diwali card is ready, and I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, do subscribe to our channel, and if you are new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.